we don't know if the American withdrawal will happen in May or whether it will be extended by a few months. But my view from Washington is that Americans will definitely leave at some point this year. It's a question of finding that interim period within which we can put some of the pieces in order for a political roadmap that can work for all sides. And so the international community's role is very important. And not only Russia, but I think China and Pakistan are also on board with this. And more importantly, I think the Afghan people want to see an end to bloodshed and war, and they don't want any one side, to become a hurdle and interfere or object and be a sort of in opposition to the effort to find peace in Afghanistan.